Okay guys, welcome to another video, and on this video I'll be showing you how to set up a Laravel team project. So probably you're working with a team of other developers and you're a junior Laravel developer, and this is your first project collaborating with others and you don't know how to set up that Laravel project on your local machine. So here's how you go about it. First, you clone the project from GitHub, or maybe they send it to you as a zip. You unzip it and you enter into the folder of that project and run composer install. So composer install installs the project locally on your machine. So I've already run that, so it's going to be all successful. To mark done because I ran that before this video. So that's the first step to take. Now the second step is setting up the database locally for the project. So one way to know one way to set up your local database is by understanding the type of database your team is using for that project. They might be using MySQL, they might be using Postgres or SQLite. So you have to communicate with your team members. Another way to find that out is by going to the env.example. Now in the env.example file, yeah, any standard team who understands how to collaborate with other developers should have an env.example file to communicate the certain environment variables every other developer should have on his local machine for the project to run smoothly. So here my team is using MySQL and the name of the database is Laravel. Okay, so in my actual.env file, that's what I'm going to set those environment variables as the DB database name, the username, root, and the rest of it. So next off is to start my local database. So since they're using MySQL, I have some set up here, and MySQL and my Apache is running. So I'll go right into the phpMyAdmin and create that database. So the name is Laravel. Though I've already created that database ahead of time, it says can't create Laravel because the database already exists. So now, once that database exists, in the next command you need to run is to do the php. Let me increase my terminal. The php artisan migrate. Now this automatically migrates all the columns, the rows. It automatically sets up your local database machine based on what your team members have structured the database as. So what is basically running is uh, the Laravel database migrations that have been already written by other developers on the team. So the next step is to run the project locally, so you can do it with php artisan serve. As a junior Laravel developer, these commands um won't familiar to you. So PHP Artisan serves the server locally, and if you open it, voila. Okay, sorry, I forgot to generate. I can just generate the app. Very important. You have to, each of your projects has to have an app key, so you can either run the PHP Artisan key generator or just generate it from here. So yep. So if I refresh, voila, the project is set up on my local machine. So that's how to go when you're working with a team of other developers and you're looking for how to set up an already existing Laravel project on your local machine. This is how you go about it. Thanks, and I'll catch you later. Bye.